Welcome. This course gets you coding AI step by step. In minutes, you'll learn tools, core basics, and build quick projects. Ready? Let's begin. Want to build AI? Start here. In 3 steps and 1 project today. You want to get into artificial intelligence? Great goal. Maybe you think coding is too hard, only for geniuses? Not true. You can learn to code, yes, even you. This beginner guide moves at a steady pace, keeping things simple and clear. No special background needed, just a computer and a willingness to try. Think of this as a map for your programming journey. AI isn't magic, it's code. To work with AI, speak its language. Programming. Fundamentals are your alphabet before you write AI stories. We'll build small tools that teach big ideas, then scale. People like you learned by practicing, making mistakes, and improving. The world of AI is waiting. Yeah, let's go. If you want to work with AI, Python is the language to learn. Its indentation makes code readable, often like plain English. And the AI libraries? Python first. You need a place to write code. 2 popular tools, Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. Jupyter is an interactive scrapbook for code. Run small cells, see results, write notes, add images, chart data. Perfect for learning and rapid experiments. VS Code is your workshop for full apps, files, syntax colors, and a powerful debugger to catch bugs. Get comfy with both. Jupyter for tests, VS Code for building. They're free. Grab Python at python.org. Follow simple guides for Jupyter and VS Code. Stuck? Thousands of tutorials will guide you. First victory. Environment setup. You're officially a developer in training. You're ready. Type, print, hello, world. Run it. Tip. Use a dark theme and monospace font. Enable autosave and add the Python extension in VS Code. Master variables, loops, and functions. You can build tons of programs. A variable is a labeled box for data. Example, customer name, BYZ. Store numbers 2, items, in cart, find 5. Use clear descriptive names. Loops repeat tasks without boredom. The Python for loop shines here. This prints a message 5 times. Shorter code, big speed gains. A function is reusable code for a task. Name it once, use it everywhere. Example, calculate totals. Def calculate, total price. Call it when needed. Cleaner code, easier fixes. Change one place, fix everywhere. Variables feed loops inside functions. They work together. Write greet customers' names. Loop through names and print greetings. Common mistake, mixing tabs and spaces. Set VS Code to insert spaces and turn on render whitespace. Practice, create variables, write a counting loop, and a tiny function that returns a value. As projects grow, variables and functions everywhere get confusing. OP groups related data and actions into objects. A car has data and actions. We model it as a class and objects. The class is the blueprint. Each object is an instance you can use. Example, calculator class with methods for add, subtract, multiply, divide. Create my calculator and call methods. Result, 8. In AI, OOP tames complexity, e.g., animal class with species and methods like make sound and move. OOP keeps software organized, reusable, and scalable. Programs need real data, from files and the web, not just hard-coded values. CSV is plain text for tables, columns separated by commas. Python makes file I/O easy. Use with open, so files close automatically. Read values, compute totals, write results into report.txt. Now your app can persist data, create logs, and generate reports. APIs let programs talk. Your script sends a request. It returns data. Real world, request a city's weather. Get JSON back. Pass temperature and description. From news to stocks to maps. APIs unlock live data for your apps. Use the requests library. A few lines to fetch and read web data. Files plus APIs transform simple scripts into tools connected to the digital world. As code grows, how do you track changes? Or go back when you break things? Git is version control, a save button for your whole project with unlimited undo. Learn these: Git init, Git add, Git commit, Git push. A commit is a snapshot with a message, building clear history. One machine is risky. Push to GitHub to back up and access your code anywhere. Share projects publicly. Let employers see your work. Create an account. New repo. Practice add, commit, push from day one. Theory is good, practice is better. Build things, start small but real. Here are 4 projects to make you a coder. 1. Calculator. Practice functions and input. Expand with a calculator class. 2. Weather API. Requests, parse JSON, show temperature and description. 3. Chatbot. If, elif, else logic and string methods. 4. CSV Analyzer. Read CSV, compute metrics, visualize in Jupyter. Subscribe, like, and pick one project right now. Your AI journey starts today.